everyone, this is Reverend Maggie Alderman, Senior Minister of Unity of Central Florida, and this Sunday is our big Pride Celebration Sunday. Not only are we celebrating the big reveal and the official changeover from CCU Orlando to Unity of Central Florida, but this is the Sunday where we lift up our brothers and sisters in the LGBTQIA+ community, and we love them, and we show gratitude and equality for each of them expressing uniquely exactly as they are. If you're looking for a place to be loved in that exact expression, then you belong here with us. We're going to be in the sanctuary at 10:30 and online. And remember, there is no one like you.